Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to discuss some animals' name and its sounds. Let's start. Number 1, lion, and its sounds is roar, roar. 2, tiger, and its sound is roar. Dog, its sounds called bark. Cat, it sounds called meow. 5, horse, its sounds name is neigh. 6, cow, its sounds name is moo. Elephant, its sound name is trumpet. Sheep, its sound name is bleat. Goat, its sound name is bleat. Bear, its sound name is growl. Camel, its sound name is grunt. Rat, squeak. Hen, cluck. Donkey, bray. Number 15, snake, its sound name is hiss. Bee, hum. Cock, crow. Pigeon, its sound name is coo. Owl, its sound name is hoot. Crow, cow. Jackal, howl. Duck, quack. Sparrow, twitter. Monkey, giver. Deer, grunt. Frog, croak. Wolf, howl. At last, 28 number, bull, bellow. Thanks to watch my video. If you like this video, then you like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.